Okay, so how I failed 2 times in a row. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to Photographics channel. Today I've got a short story for you. It's about my photography and my channel. So, buckle up. Yeah, that's all I've got. Okay, so what happened? Real quick. I've been doing photography, and lately I was shooting product photography, okay? And since I was shooting photos, I couldn't shoot videos and create speed arts, you know? So that's the reason why I haven't created any video in the last year. So, how I failed twice in a row, okay? I was shooting beautiful watch, it's my brother's watch, and I was so ready to shoot it, you know, like a pro. I was ready for it. I was pumped up, you know. I just set up the lights and I was shooting in 2 hours straight. And I bring the photos in the Photoshop and I was retouching it and I was ready, you know. I was pumped, and it took me like 12 to 15 hours of hard work, you know. And I finally made it. I created the photo and I was happy about it. I was, yes, that's the stuff, you know. I love it. I'm the greatest, you know. So I put the photography on Facebook, and you know, quite a lot of people was like, yeah, that's a great shot, you know, good job, man, nice. And I was like, yeah, I know I did a great job, you know, I'm the best, you know. But after a while, I wasn't so sure about it. And I asked pro photographers what they think. And they pointed out some mistakes I made and some not the greatest thing about the photo. And I was like, I knew they were right. I failed. But, you know, I was like, yeah, okay, never mind. This shit happens. I'll shoot it again and I'll make another photo, you know, like a pro, you know, like a boss. So when I started shooting it, I was like, you know what? I will record it and I put it on YouTube. Okay, yeah, why not? So I started recording, everything's set. Yeah, I was shooting the photo, and when I was editing the photo, I realized there are some things that aren't the best. Simply put, I made another mistake. A lot of mistakes. And I was so pissed at myself. I made another mistake, and it was mistake after mistake, you know. But after a while of thinking about it, I was like, you know, fuck it. I'm just gonna push through and I just finish the photo. I don't care if it's bad. I'll just make it happen, you know. Just bang, done, see ya. And this is pretty much my moral of the story, you know. I don't care if the photo is bad. I made another million mistakes with it. That's not important. I think the important thing about it is just push through, because you will gain experience. Failed once, gained new experience, applied it on new photo, failed again. And if I was to shoot it again, I think I will do a better job. But I won't do it for the third time. No way. I mean, enjoy the video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
Deep in the dark, down on my knees, I've seen things that you wouldn't believe. I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. Here we go.
Invincible.